My character's name is Suhail Said. क्या बता सकता हूँ कैरेक्टर के बारे में?
You seem like one of those flirtatious boys. Is it that?
Actually वो कैरेक्टर पता क्या है? He is flirtatious. वो कॉलेज का वो फुटबॉल जॉक होता है, वो है. He is a spoiled rich kid. Ferrari चलाता है, डिज़ाइनर कपड़े पहनता है, लड़की के पीछे भागता रहता है. Fast women, fast cars. जिम के बीच pretty much रहता है, वर्कआउट करता रहता है हमेशा. एंड थोड़ा बहुत दोस्त लोग के साथ कमीना बनता है. Basically, he doesn't like to finish second best. So that's the character.
Okay, and at the end of the entire film, do you manage to find love? Or is that what you were looking for at all?
At the end of the film, you'll have to watch it to find out. I can't give away too much.
He's not giving anything away. No, no problem at all. What's your take on the comeback of Pramod Films? You know, it's been a 50-year-old brand. It's been there forever. What's your take now?
I think that it's a fantastic thing that they've done. I mean, my dad knows them very well. He watched all their old films. He was a very big Dharmendra fan, and Akshay obviously got his first break. These guys, Pramod Films believe that, you know, there's new talent and it's there, and, you know, it fits, then why not? You know, they're risk takers, and through being risk takers, they have created an industry of stars. I mean, you can't doubt that. But what they've done is fantastic. I mean, they've given us all an opportunity. Prateek has worked exceptionally hard. I mean, उसने जो काम किया है, direct, produce और act, मुझे लगता है और कोई आदमी कर नहीं पाता. Basically, I feel that he's got so much energy, so much vision, and उसका actually दिमाग कैसे चलता है? I haven't figured him out yet. He's a brilliant mind. That's what I can say.
Tell me, today's the music launch of the film.
Yes.
What is your favorite track that you keep listening to over and over again? It plays on your iPod, it plays on your phone, it plays everywhere. Tell me.
See, all tracks on the CD.
No, you cannot
And
be this
I'll get
diplomat.
down
No.
to all the tracks on the CD are actually fantastic. They all have their different feel, the different vibe. But I'm more of a dance guy. So I like the song Sharad performed on, the Mika song. I also like Pyari Pyari, when I just want to chill out and just, you know, move my head to the song. And then there's the main title track from Sydney with Love. The main title track, it's just one of those songs where you can groove to it.
Right.
It's very chilled out, it's relaxed, and so those are my three favorite. If I had to narrow it down, I can't narrow it down to one. Sorry.
You know what? Since it's the music launch and I've got you here, you're going to have to sing 2 lines. Come on, be a sport.
Hold on.
Any of them. Your favorite song you said was the one Sharad danced to. So.
I'm trying to remember the lines right now. You got me right on the spot.
I know I'm good at that.
Okay, I'm not sure if this is gonna be a good. I don't sing. I'm a bathroom singer. Okay. दिल को तो बोले bye 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 bye. Item your hi fi hi fi hi. Feels like I'm tripping flying high high high. Item your hi fi hi fi hi. Ow.
Wow, I think you should have sung the track of the
No,
film as
no,
well.
no.
You were pretty good. Yeah? You seem to be one of the most stylish people I've come across here. Tell me what's about your personal style statement. What do you like putting together and what do you like wearing?
See, I don't believe in brands, like, you know, people say Gucci, this and that. But I do have a few particular brands which I feel that have good jeans, like G-Star have great jeans, and I buy some Diesel have nice jeans, and it's just about what you're comfortable in. Like, अगर मैं मैंने character है, मैं भी हूँ actually. I mean, the sneakers are like limited edition, but I bought them because they're different, and, you know, I like to take a chance with the color. I'm more of a basic palette guy, not too much prints and whatnot, so I have my pinks.
We're actually going to go down to your shoes and show people how experimental you are with respect to fashion.
So I'm not going to lie, I do have my pink t-shirts. I wear mainly V-necks, jackets, and if there's a print like this on a simple white t-shirt. I mean, simple is always best. Whatever you feel comfortable, what makes you feel confident, I think that's the best way to go. Because everybody has their own individual style.
True that.
If you want to dress like me, just stick to similar to what I'm wearing right now. You get your jackets, layer it up, hoodies, basic palette colors, not too much print, and jeans which are not so plain, have a little style to them, even some rips in them, not too tight fitted, pencil fit. I don't do skinny jeans. I'm sorry, but I don't have the legs for me. So yeah, just keep it basic, keep it simple, keep it cool, and just be confident in what you wear.
All right, see, as you can see that you're on the e-cover of stylemag.in.
Yes.
What's your take on that?
I think it looks great. Yeah, it looks fantastic. I think everybody's got a different look. Everybody looks good.
Anyways, thank you so much for talking to us.
Right, thank you
We had
very
such a
much.
fun time talking to you. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Thank
Bye-bye.